That's how we're going to make our cheddar garlic cornbread. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys, thank you for all the views that I got on the disappointment of the seafood from Saucy Crab, I'm sorry. But anywho, you guys, please forgive me for the language I use. But I was very upset, okay? I wanted to start off by apologizing to you guys. That's not my character. Well, not anymore. But anywho, you guys, I am going to do a one-pot meal. And that meal is going to consist of a leftover ham bone, you guys. You remember the ham bone that I had baked the ham with? Yes, so we got a nice cut ham bone that I'm just going to insert in this pot because I couldn't get all the meat out, right? So, yeah, your girl is going to show you guys what to do with your leftover ham bones. Now, I know some of you guys say, well, that might be a little sweet, but it wasn't, okay? And so we have some northern beans, you guys, that I am going to put into this pot, like so. Now, these northern beans was actually pre-soaked, okay? As you guys see, they was pre-soaked. And I pre-soaked my northern beans for 24 hours, basically. And I'm going to add me some seasoning right on over in this pot, you guys. And I'm going to turn this pot on. We got us some all-purpose Comfort seasoning. And I'm just going to sprinkle it to my liking like so. And this is going to be a one-pot meal as far as my jasmine rice. No, I'm sorry, it's not jasmine. But I prefer to use jasmine, you guys. But my rice, I'm just going to insert it in the pot once the beans get right at its peak of where I want it to be. So, yeah, I'm opening up the black pepper because those two ingredients that I'm going to use. And this is a quick, simple meal. That way you won't stay in the kitchen all day. And I have approximately 2.5 cups of water. And we just going to insert it right on over in these beans. Okay, let me get a little more water. Just a little more, just to cover the meat. Because I am going to just let this do its thing, you guys. And this is going to be a delicious meal, you guys. Definitely a delicious meal. Let's make sure all these beans is right down in here. I don't care too much if the meat shows a little bit because we all know it's been pre-cooked. So yeah, we're going to cover this with the lid. Make sure it's cut down low. And we're going to let it do its thing. As soon as I find a top. As soon as I find the top. So yeah, we're going to let it do its thing. And that's it. There you go. And we'll be back. So guys, check out this ham bone, you guys. Let me turn this light on. Because your girl is really chilly. I am really taking it easy today. So let me pull this ham bone up for you guys. Look how tender this ham bone is. Try not to pop myself. But anywho, I just want to check in to show you how much meat came off that ham bone. And see, I don't know if a lot of people throw theirs away. But your girl she will find a way and find something to do with that ham bone. It can go in beans, greens, you name it. This ham bone can be gone in anything. You know? Oh, that's hot. Uh-oh, let me get this stuff right here. Because I'm breaking this off. Because I'm going to take this right on out of here. Who else cooked theirs like this? And tell me, what ways do you use yours? Yeah. So as you guys see, we got all the meat off of it. So we just gonna go and let this good old pot of delicious meat and beans do finish doing their thing. Now our beans is pretty much they are actually done, as you see, for tender. The gravy is, or what you call it, thickness, the juice is right at its peak. Now all your girl is gonna do next is she's gonna take her rice, you guys, because I have less than a pound of rice, and I'm just gonna pour it over in here just like so, because it's gonna stretch right on in there, swell up. Now I don't know exactly how much this gonna make, but we're gonna go and let that finish cooking on low and do a thing, okay? And we'll be back with the final touches. So right here we have some cornbread mixture, which consists of eggs, milk, egg milk, a little sugar, okay, because I like to have a little sugar in mine, okay, and I'm gonna put a little veggie oil, okay, or butter, which I think I'm gonna go with the butter because I'm already melting that in the oven. Now this is not gonna be your average cornbread, you guys. Why? Because your girl is reaching in her refrigerator, because I am gonna make this some cheddar. We're gonna make this some cheese cornbread. You know? Yeah, we're gonna have us some cheese cornbread with this. Why? Because we're gonna think outside of the box, okay? So we got us a little cheese going on. Not much, but so we're gonna add us a little parsley as well. Not too heavy. Okay. So yeah, we got that going on. And as soon as I get to this garlic, you guys, you know, give me a minute. Okay, so we got us some fresh garlic. Now we're not gonna use a lot. We're just gonna put us a little, maybe like a tablespoon. Okay, and we're gonna put that on in that cornbread. Why? Because we want some garlic flavored cornbread to go with this delicious pot of beans and rice. Okay, and that's how we're gonna make our cheddar garlic cornbread. Buttered cornbread, mind you. So guys, as you see, there go my pan, and I have put a little butter in here. Now, my next move, you guys, I got limited space working with. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that this hit all four corners. Why? Because I don't have any non-sticky spray, and we're just gonna pour that on over in here, just like so. Okay. Now, if you never tried this recipe, I suggest you try it. And believe me when I tell you, this is a cornbread that you will mess with every now and then, if not all the time. We're going to slide this in the oven because we want to let this go and get brown, and we're going to pull it out in approximately anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. It all depends on your oven. And yeah, so that's my next move. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so we are back, and I just want to show you guys how my beans and rice turned out. You guys, let me get a plate over here. I know you guys say I'll never be together, but anyhow, let's get these beans right on up in here. So yes, look at this delicious pot of beans and rice. Let me show you. Look at there. You have your rice and you have your beans, and yes, good thick pot of beans and rice. And sometimes I enjoy having it that way. I enjoy having it that way. Okay, let me get this cornbread up here. Look at this cornbread, you guys. You guys, now that is some delicious looking cornbread. And yes, your girl is going to go in for the bite. You guys, this is really delicious. I see the parsley right there. Little hint of the cheese. The garlic, fresh garlic, gives a great touch. So, and the little sugar as well. You guys, just make up your average cornbread that you enjoy. Sprinkle you a little garlic. Sprinkle you some cheese up in there. And yes, it's a game changer for your cornbread. And like I say, don't throw away them ham bones. Take that meat off them. I promise you, will still enjoy that meat twice. So if you enjoyed this video, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. You never know what I am going to cook and bring to the video show. And like I say, you guys, on this channel, you will see me recreate different recipes, take them up a notch. You will also see reviews. You may see a couple of shopping hauls, especially if I find a bargain, okay? But my forte is I prefer to cook. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thumbs it straight up and subscribe to the channel, and yes, leave a comment below so your girl can know where to go. So until then, enjoy your evening. Goodbye.